What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today, just a little chill POV, little cat bag slash catless video. Oh my gosh, dude! I didn't even realize, but last video when I was talking, dude, I look so busted. You could just tell, like I'm sick out of my. I'm not sick out of my mind. Just that for some reason, like me being sick, my eyelids are like super dry, so my eyes are like burning and crap. So like you see me scratching my eye, and then my eye is like bloodshot. Like, dude, it's just brutal right now, dude. I don't know why. I don't know why my skin's so dry. Oh my, what the? I'm gonna try to pop it again. Why is it popping so much right now? Oh my gosh. Any cops? Nah, we're chilling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that a cop? I cannot tell. I'm getting away. I think it is a cop. Oh my. Come on, pup. I don't know if any of you guys that watch my video like trade stocks and stuff, but every time I look at the stock, like at stock market, I just look at like places I can get in early. Like there's a lot of things I want to talk about, but I rather not talk about it until like there's, you know, a lot of like receipts, you know what I mean? So there's a lot going on, guys. I'm gonna tell you now, just keep pushing yourself to keep growing. There's so much ways to make money. I would never rely on one thing to make money, ever, no matter what field you're in, even if you're successful in it. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, dude, it never gets freaking old. It never gets freaking old. Oh my gosh. But pretty much, man, no matter what field you're in, no matter what, you guys should always focus on different ventures. Like, and I'm speaking not from my own experience, I'm speaking from like what a lot of my mentors say, and I agree with them, dude. Like, I know so many people that trade stocks that are so, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These pops are insane right now. What the? Oh my gosh. But pretty much, dude, there's people that trade stocks with me, and they're doing really good. And a lot of them, dude, invest into real estate and, of course, like other businesses that can grow. But what I noticed that real estate, dude, is like one of the best ways to put money. Like where you want to put money somewhere is one of the best places because, dude, the amount of tax benefits that real estate has is, oh my gosh, it's almost unreal, dude. Like, if you do research on like the tax benefits of real estate, bro, one of the best ways to put money somewhere and let it grow while getting tax returns is definitely real estate. Like my goal is to, because like I buy certain things, like for example, like if I buy a car for the business, my goal for it is to write off tax, right? for my W-2. Like, since I work a 9 to 5. Dude, you can work a 9 to 5 and still buy real estate and write it off, dude. Obviously, you need to make a lot of money if you want to buy real estate, but just the amount of benefits there is, dude, it's just crazy to me. Like, I honestly can't believe it. So I'm gonna be honest, guys, like, there's so many ways to make money. Just gotta keep pushing yourself, gotta keep growing. Like, it's always something on my mind because I wake up every day, you know, to work, and I want to make more because I want to enjoy my life no more. You know what I mean? If I didn't want to enjoy my life more, you know, I don't want to always be thinking about work. I'm trying to make enough money where I can buy a nice car for myself and not overthink it, you know? If any of you guys are super into real estate, yo, hit me up because I'm trying to learn so much more. Like, I'm doing a lot of my own research, and I feel like I've been doing a good job doing my own research, but I feel like there's so much I still don't know. Oh my gosh. But dude, like, I'm just thinking about, like, do I want to be in a house? Do I want to live in a house right now? And honestly, dude, like, looking at all the different types of insurances and mortgage insurance, property tax, mortgage insurance, house insurance, property tax, all these different taxes on top of, like, paying for the house, bro, you're not making much profits. Like, unless you buy the house in cash, you're gonna be, you know, you're still gonna be wasting money here and there, but at least the value goes up, right? But if you're paying all these other insurances and mortgage and plus interest itself, bro, interest itself is like 7%. You know, I've been thinking about it, like, do I want to live, you know, in a house and pay all that stuff right now? Probably not. But what I'd rather do is, like, rent it out. Like, someone, like, so, you know, there's people are willing to pay that, and I'm not personally. But if I rent it out, I get a whole bunch of tax write-offs. I get, you know, potential passive income. Like, even if I make zero passive income, the tax benefits is so heavy that, like, it doesn't even matter about making profits, because no matter what, like, obviously if you get screwed on a deal, you're not gonna make profit. Obviously, my goal is always to negotiate, but there's so much room for tax write-offs that even making profits is, like, it's prone to happen. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, dude, there's just so many things I'm learning about real estate. It's like I don't even know. But right now, dude, interest rates are too high. It's like, I don't know what you guys think about it, but the reason why I bought this car is, like, I'm only paying for car insurance. You know, I'm not paying mortgage, property tax, property insurance, all this, like, crazy stuff per month. Like, in Cali, dude, it's crazy here. Dude, Catless, it's way too much, bro. I low-key want to put catted pipes. I've been thinking about it. I think I want to go, like, Catless is a little bit too much, bro. I want to get, like, those, like, chill, high-flow cats, and I feel like those would do a good job. Dude, I love these part of the streets. Like, this is the only reason why I like California, is because the suburbs, dude, are so beautiful here. Oh my gosh, dude, when it pulls, it freaking pulls. Oh my gosh. Like, I need to chill, dude. I'm switching gears way too often. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Finally, more pops. Even though the valves kill it, it still pops pretty good. I'm gonna go into this neighborhood. Dude, when you're in neighborhoods, you don't even need to gas it hard, bro. It freaking echoes. gas it too. Come on. Oh my gosh. There's definitely way too many people here, so I'm gonna gas it like in a chill way. I'm trying to drive super casually because there's so many people here. Just trying to make it pop. Oh my gosh. There we go. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh, is that a cop in front of me? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. If my eyes look oily because I put oil, bro, I literally don't know what's happening. I think I have allergies or something. But if you guys enjoyed the vid, you can leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.